Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am so excited. I'm going to be trying out my new RevAir 2 for the very first time. So, I received a PR package from RevAir. And when I say this is the best PR package that I have received to date, let me show you what I got. So now that you've seen all the goodies, we are going to put this RevAir to the test. I know that I've seen plenty of the girls trying out the RevAir and it has given them bomb results. So I'm hoping the same for me. So let's get started. So we have our RevAir here, nice and unboxed. This is the RevAir 2, so this is a little more compact than the original RevAir. And this is what the wand looks like. So we're gonna get started. So we're starting on freshly washed hair, and I washed my hair using the Uncle Funky's Daughter Thermal Protection line. So I started with the Thermal Protection shampoo and deep conditioner, and this is what my hair is looking like. Freshly washed, no product. So we are going to take this quadrant, because I've divided my hair into 4 sections. I'm gonna take this quadrant and split it into 3 sections, because we don't want the section to be too big. And I am using my RevAir clips. So we're just gonna pin that up. So this is the section that we are working in. And for a rule of thumb, you wanna make sure your section is not bigger than the actual wand there. So we are going to go in with the Uncle Funky's Daughter Maximum Thermal Protection Primer. I'm just gonna spray that all on. And we're gonna go in with our RevAir comb. Make sure that section is detangled. And I do have my spray bottle just to make sure that section is wet and not dry. You don't want it soaking wet, but you do want to make sure that it's not dry. So go in, detangle again. And we're ready to get started. So what the curls are looking like. Let's turn her on and get started. So we're going to turn her on. And we are going to turn her up. 7 is the highest. We're gonna start on 4, and we're going to do high heat. Here we go. I think I need to hold it in this hand. So nervous. I'm shook. Shook. That was about 45 seconds. Shook. So the first time I went in on a level 4 with high heat. The second time I went in on a level 7, and I definitely am going to stick with the level 7. But yes, she's the truth. Let's keep going. Okay, so we're going to move on to the next piece from this section. So this is our RevAir hair, and then this is the curly hair. Okay, so this is what the hair is looking at like, all blown out, using the RevAir 2 and the Uncle Funky's Daughter thermal protection line. So let me show you the back. I'm absolutely obsessed with this blowout. I'm absolutely obsessed with my new RevAir. Like, we're probably gonna be wearing a lot of blown out styles, and I'm here for it. Here for the healthy, natural hair. So now for styling. We are trying to decide if I wanna do a flat twist and curl or just a regular twist and curl. Let me think about it, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I decided on a stretched twist and curl. So for styling, we're going to be going in with the Uncle Funky's Daughter Thirsty Curls leave-in conditioner. And we're gonna pair that with the Super Curl Miracle Moisture Cream. Absolutely love this duo. So let's get into styling. Okay, so we have finished twisting and curling for this chunky twist out. Back. So excited for this chunky stretched twist out. So we're gonna sit under the dryer for about 30 minutes and then we'll let the rest air dry and we'll be back for the takedown. Keep on watching.
And here are my final results. I'm absolutely in love. Make sure you check the description box for my discount codes. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.